Okay, well, looking at our blueprint portfolio, the focuses for us this year are to concentrate on the super wide market, where we're seeing a lot of new materials coming through on super wide printing, like soft signage, mesh applications. The other area, again, part of our blueprint offering is hybrid. Fujifilm has never supplied a hybrid to market before, but we brought we have an innovative offering that we showed for the first time at FESPA earlier this year, and will be coming to market in 2023. The other point I think is important to make is also automation. As machines get faster and the cost per copy improves, then these machines are producing long run lengths now. And for Fujifilm, as you will see on our hybrid machine, automation is playing a very key role in keeping up with digital technology. Well, I think it's simple to say that, or easy to say that it's been very difficult for all of us, whether you're an end user or whether you're an OEM. For Fujifilm, it's been an interesting 2 years. We've had a lot of businesses that have still been very proactive. Clearly, those that have been supplying the supermarket outlets have had a reasonable level of business, but there's been others in more specialized areas that have needed a lot of support. For Fujifilm, we are an OEM, we are a manufacturer, so from the point of view of inks and consumables, then we've had a little bit more control over our own destiny in being able to supply. And I suppose the real challenge for everybody is, as we come out of COVID, is the growth of volume. And for us, I suppose we've had to pre-manage that in our pipeline with orders. So with our new hardware portfolio, we are forward ordering with our partners so that we minimize the lead time of being able to supply those new printers. And as I say, with regards to the ink systems that complement them, then we have a bit more control. Yes, there are issues of raw material. We won't compromise over alternative raw materials, but we have a good business in Broadstairs. The UK, we manufacture all of our UV inks for global consumption. So we have a big operation there, and I think we are coming out of that period now where things are settling down. There's a lot more confidence in the market, and we're selling a lot more hardware. My advice, and I think probably most printers now, particularly the successful ones, they're always looking for new innovation, whether it's through ink technology, whether it's through media, or whether it be purely through the machinery. And that drives us as a machinery manufacturer in ensuring that we're bringing to market what the customer requires. So my message is, always look at new technology, try and have the USP advantage in looking at new ideas of where digital print can actually play an application. We have a big market in point of sale, but of course you can see now that digital is also encroaching because of the speed and cost per copy into more industrialized sectors, and I see that only growing with the combination, as I discussed earlier, with the right and appropriate handling. Okay, so let me introduce to you the Prime range. This is the Prime 30. This is part of our blueprint launch. So this is an entry-level mid-range flatbed printer. As you can see, it's got an ergonomic design. It operates on Ricoh Generation 5 print heads, so market-proven print heads. It has a UV LED curing ink system built on board. With regards to the spec, if you'd like to follow me down, so whilst this is an entry-level machine for us, it's actually got some quite significant specifications. So for example, depending on image quality, you can print up to 150 squares an hour. Unlike other machines of this nature, it also has not just pass modes to be able to choose the output that you print, but it also has what's called smoothing. So a combination of those two options can allow you to get the best output at the best quality. So the options that come with this platform, it's a standard 4-color system, so CMYK, but depending on the nature of work that you're producing, you can also have a clear on board, you can have white on board, and you can also have a primer. The primer will be used for more difficult substrates where you want increased adhesion. So, format size 2.54 by 1.27 square meters. There is a big brother to this machine that we will be bringing to market early in 2023, and that is the Prime L. So fundamentally exactly the same technology, but the print bed is 3.2 by 2 meters. And that will give you in productivity about another 25% output, but is designed really for people where the format size of their print is larger than the standard bed. So there is another option on this platform, which is the Prime 20, but effectively that's just the same concept, but with less print heads in it. So from the point of view of the individual or the business investing in this machinery, it's all based against volume. So we would start at what will be the UF10, we go up to the Prime 20, and then to the Prime 30, and then as of next year, we've got the larger format machine coming to market. It has a great package of features, and they are all standard features, so they come automatically with the machine. So you've got automatic cleaning for print head maintenance, you've got dedicated vacuum zones when you're printing smaller sheets rather than full bed sheets. And as you may have seen earlier, we have registration pins, so from the point of view of producing double-sided work, the process is very, very simple. We have a very user-friendly interface for the operator, which is all part of the same system. And we have already sold a few machines into the South African market. In fact, this machine, when the show concludes at the weekend, will also be going to a customer. So we've got great expectations. The machine was launched in November last year, and I think we're about 56 or 58 machines installed already. So it's been a great success for Fujifilm, and we hope to continue that success and also bring in the larger platform. Thank you.